So hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Diagzone software, the OBD2 diagnostic tool, in order to increase Mercedes speed limit. This is a W219 CLS 63 AMG, which comes from factory, limited to 250 kilometers per hour limit. So here, this is the main screen of the Diagzone after it recognized the car vehicle identification number. So this is the topology of systems. In order to increase the speed limit, you have to come to system list. Now you find ECM. Where is it? Oh, it's the first one. Just hit enter, switch on ignition, it's already, and then we go to setting, change over. You see here maximum vehicle speed limit. Here we go, vehicle speed limit. Mine is already changed to 300 kilometers per hour, which is the top speed available. So if you click here, the menu comes up. If your car is stock, never reprogrammed, it will probably show 250 kilometers per hour. Mine, I have already made this coding and changed it to 300. So after you change in the previous menu, you just click right coding, and that's it. Easy.